Hello there and welcome to my channel. I am Glorious Badger. I'm a full-time streamer over on Twitch. I've been wanting to make YouTube content for quite a while, so I figured I'd just get out there and do it. Today, we are unboxing the latest Dual Army box set from Games Workshop, Aether War. This box consists of Disciples of Tzeentch and Kharadron Overlords. On the Tzeentch side, we have one Magister on a disc of Tzeentch, 3 Tzaangor Enlightened, 3 Tzaangor Skyfires, and 3 Screamers of Tzeentch. On Kharadron Overlord's side, we find 1 Endrigger in Deadribble suit, 3 Enriggers, 3 Skywardens, and 1 Gunhauler. We also find core rules, tokens, war scroll cards, hidden agenda cards, and the 40-page Aether War book. Here we have the Magister on a Tzeentch disc. It is so far limited to this box set. If it is released, I suspect it will go for between £20 to £25. We have 3 Screamers of Tzeentch here. These retail for £20. We will try and keep a running total, currently at £40. Here is 1 sprue of Skyfires. These retail for £25 each. Here is the second sprue, so we have a total of £50. £20 for the Screamers here. £20 to £25 for the Magister. This gives us a total of £90 to £95 for the Tzeentch side of the box. Here is the Engine Master with dirigible suit. He is an unnamed hero and the exclusive mini to the Kharadron side of the box. I expect him to be a similar price to the Magister, so £20 to £25 should he ever be released separately. Here is the Gunhauler. It is £30. Here we have the Endriggers, Skywardens, which are £25 each. For all of the miniatures alone, we're looking at around £200. That would take this side of the box to around £100 to £105. So let's have a look at what else we have. is the dividing artwork. Unfortunately, it does get damaged a lot due to the sprues, etc. Here are the bases and the flying bases. The Aether War book. Let's have a look at the War Scroll cards. Tzaangor Skyfires. Descriptions and abilities, weapons listed here. Screamers of Tzeentch are here. The description and abilities. Tzaangor Enlightened. Open this up. You got your description and abilities. Here's the War Scroll card for the Magister. Open it up. Special rules. Description. Abilities, magic, here's the Gunhaulers card. All the weaponry listed here. You've got your description, the abilities. Including Fly High, which is going to be a very handy ability. Fly High. Most Kharadron sky vessels can swiftly soar up high in the air and then plummet back down to the battlefield, ready to attack from a new direction. Instead of making a normal move with this model, you can say that it will fly high, it can retreat and disengage. If you do so, remove this model from the battlefield and set it up again more than 1 inch from any terrain features or objectives and more than 9 inches from any enemy models. Here are the Sky Wardens and Enriggers, weaponry, descriptions, abilities, they're all listed here. Here's the Engine Master with dirigible suit. Weapons are listed, description, abilities. Let's have a look at the hidden agenda cards. 3 for Tzeentch and 3 for Kharadron Overlords. Starting with Dreaded Discs. You complete this hidden agenda if a unit of Tzaangor Enlightened that is more than 9 inches from any enemy units attempts to charge and the charge does not fail. Bullseye. You complete this hidden agenda if a unit of Tzaangor Skyfires inflicts 3 or more mortal wounds with its Judgment from Afar ability over the course of the battle. Skystalkers. You complete this hidden agenda if a unit of Screamers of Tzeentch inflict 3 or more mortal wounds with its Slashing Fins ability over the course of the battle. Hidden agenda cards for the Kharadron Overlords. Punctured Demise. You complete this hidden agenda if you inflict 6 mortal wounds with the Grunstock Gunhauler's Drill Cannon ability over the course of the battle. Drop Assault. You complete this hidden agenda if, after being set up using the Hitcher's ability, a unit of Enriggers that is more than 9 inches from any enemy units attempts to charge and the charge does not fail. Dastardly devices. You complete this hidden agenda if a unit of Sky Wardens inflicts 3 or more mortal wounds with its timed charges ability over the course of the battle. Let us see what we have next. We have some cardstock rulers. Some cardstock objective markers and tokens. It's all made from very nice thick cardboard. You've got the Aether War book. This is a 40-page book. Starting off with some kind of poem. Cults of the Eyrie. Prosper or Dies is some sort of background story to the particular factions contained within this box. War in the Skies be the army between the fights between the two armies. The artwork on the front of the box is contained here. Kharadron Overlord unit. Kharadron Overlord units are here, the ones within the box, and we have the Disciples of Tzeentch units contained within this box. Screamer of Tzeentch, Zangor Enlightened, Zangor Skyfires. Here are some finished ones, beautifully painted up. Here's some Kharadron Overlords. I still don't know how I'm going to paint mine. I have a couple of ideas, but nothing in concrete yet. And these are going to be the battles you can play. Maelstrom of Metal, Eye of the Storm. We've got company. Staking a claim, worth a little risk. Rage Against Time, of Aether Golden Anarchy. Here are the war scrolls listed within the book as well. It's going to be easier using the war scroll cards, but this is nice to have as well. These are the two battalions. The Intrepid Prospectus and Abhet Sky Seekers. And there are the abilities listed of the battalions. Here's the instruction manual on how to build the miniatures. And here is the core rulebook. Battle plans, terrain, attacking. This has been good timing for me as I've been considering getting Kharadron Overlords recently. Everything you need to get started. So that's everything contained within the box set. I suspect if you need to get anything else to play the game, you will need some dice, Probably a hobby knife and some polystyrene cement to glue the miniatures together. That will get you started. I guess we need to ask the big question: is this kit worth it? I can only speak for myself, so take this with a pinch of salt. From a financial standpoint, if I were to buy everything separately, it would cost around about the £200 mark. So that would leave people going halves with a friend or trying to sell the remainder via eBay. Point where I wanted to get the Kharadron Overlords, so it was an easy decision for me. What am I going to do with the Tzeentch? I'm either going to paint them up and sell them, or just sell them on their sprues. The two new models are definitely nice, especially the Tzeentch Magister. Very tempted to paint that one up. I'm planning on painting up the Kharadron Overlords for this channel. I've figured out a colour scheme, so make sure you click that subscribe button and check that those notifications are on. Thank you very much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you soon.